Hello everybody, this is the training on how to delegate your Trimble Access while you're on vacation. So from your Home tab, go to your Setup, go to the left vertical menu, to the Personal Information, down to Access Delegation. It shows Access Delegation. This dynamic grid may have lots of things in it. Scroll all the way down. Come down to the first required asterisk field to users. Find the user that you want. Now it is set up by first name, last name. To do that, you select. You start the next red asterisk of start the date. So if it's starting for tomorrow, December 9th, set it for midnight, so that, or AM, so that you start at the beginning of the day. And then select the access day again and do that to the end of the business day. You come through and you scroll up and hit grant.